As you guys can see, if you're getting the error to run this application, you first must install one of the following versions of the .NET framework when trying to open an exe file. Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to fix it. First, look at the error message and check which version of the .NET framework is required. In my case, it's .NET Framework 4.5.2 download. Then open the official Microsoft website and click on the offline installer download option. The download size is pretty small, around 66 megabytes, so it shouldn't take long to finish. Once the download is complete, open the installer. It will first extract the required files automatically. After that, click install and wait for the installation process to finish. Depending on your computer, this may take a few minutes. Just let it complete without closing the installer. Once the installation is finished, restart your computer if prompted. After that, try opening the application or exe file again. The error should now be gone and the program should launch normally without any issues. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more quick Windows fixes. Thanks for watching.